Welcome to Plus One CBSE Maths Trigonometry Chapter 3 Sum and Difference of Two Angles. In this we have seen already 15 sums in our earlier videos. Now I am going for the 16th sum today. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x. We have to prove that is equal to minus sin 2x equal to minus of sin 2x divided by cos 10x. This is the thing you have to prove. Again, a simple problem. All these things are based on how far you are remembering the formula. To make you thorough with the various formulae, cos C minus cos D, cos 9x minus cos 5x. Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus of 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos, so both will be sin C minus D by 2 or x minus y or x plus y by 2 divided by sin C minus sin D 2 cos C plus D by 2 and sin C minus D by 2. This is the formula we are going to apply. The result is that these two we can cancel. Minus 9 plus 5, 14, 14 divided by 2, 7. This is simply sin 7x. 9 plus 5, 14 divided by this. Whereas here, the sin 9 minus 5, 4, 4 divided by 2, therefore 2x. Divided by cos 17 plus 3, 20, 20 by 2, so 10x. 17 minus 3, 14, 14 by 2, therefore this sin 7x. The result is that this get cancelled and you got the answer sin 2x divided by cos 10x. So that's all. So a very simple one, straight application of the formula. Only thing you must be thorough that cos A minus cos D is, or cos x minus cos y is minus of 2 sin x plus y by 2 minus 2 times of sin 9 x plus y by 2 and sin x minus y by 2. Now I go to the 17th problem. 17th problem, sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x. We have to prove that is equal to tan 4x. A very simple problem again, sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2. So this is 2 sin C plus D. So 8x by 2 cos this minus this. So 2x by 2 cos x plus cos y. 2 cos 5 plus 3 8x by 2 again cos 5 minus 3 2x by 2. The result is this get cancelled. We have sin 4x and divided by cos 4x and this get cancelled. So which is nothing but tan 4x. So I am going for the 18th one now. 18th one, sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. Just now we have seen on the same model, sin x minus sin y, therefore it is 2 cos x plus y by 2 and sin x minus y by 2. The denominator cos x plus cos y, so both will be cos. 2 cos of x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. So the 2 cancel, cos term cancel, sin by cos, that is equal to tan of the theta, that is here x minus y by 2. Now I go for 19th one. Sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x. Same thing, sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2, that is here x plus 3x by 2 and then cos, the bigger one you take it preferably, so 3x minus x by 2 Denominator cos plus cos, therefore 2 times of cos x plus 3x by 2, and then cos 3x minus x by 2. This get cancelled. So the answer will be sin 3x plus x, 4x by 2, sin 2x, and this will be cos 2x, which is nothing but tan 2x. So that's all. So we have completed the 19th one. We'll go for 20th now. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. Here you apply sin x minus sin y. So 2 cos x plus 3x by 2, and then sin x minus this. So sin x minus 3x by 2. For cos I have changed as this is A, this is B, like that. But here sin we cannot change it because cos minus theta is cos theta. So we have changed it. Here you should not change. The first one you take it as x, and the second term you take it as always y. So sin x minus sin y is equal to minus, therefore 2 cos of x plus y by 2 and sin of x minus y by 2. The denominator is sin square x minus cos square x. In case you take minus outside, it will become cos square x minus sin square x, which you know as cos 2x. Now applying this part, this is 2 cos minus I am putting up minus 2 3x plus 4x by 2, so cos 2x, and this part will be x minus 3x, so another minus sin of 3x minus x, 2x by 2, therefore x. The denominator is cos square x minus sin square x, cos 2x, so get cancelled. Here is 1 minus, here is 1 minus, so plus 2 times of sin x. So we have completed 20 sums. 5 sums in just within 10 minutes. Now we go for the remaining sums of this exercise. Question number 21. We have to prove cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by this. You can take any two angles and apply the formula cos x plus cos y. But preferably what I am doing is that I am combining cos 4x and cos 2x. Because what is the formula for cos x plus cos y? Cos x plus cos y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. When you are taking cos x plus y by 2, x plus y by 2, by combining this way, 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, 3x I will be getting, which is already there. So I can take that cos 3x as common. So only for that I am clubbing cos 4x and cos 2x and apply the formula. Cos 4x plus cos 2x is 2 cos 4x plus 2x by 2, and again cos 4x minus 2x by 2. In addition to that, there cos 3x is there. The whole thing divided by, here also I am doing the same thing, sin x plus this. So 2 sin of 4x plus 2x by 2, and then cos 4x minus 2x by 2. In addition to that, the sin 3x is there. Simplifying this part, 2 cos 3x, 4x plus 2, 6 by 2, 3. And here 4x minus 2, 2x by 2 plus cos 3x. The whole thing by 2 times of sin, 4 plus 2, 6 by 2, so 3x. 4 minus 2, 2 by 2, therefore cos plus sin 3x. Sometimes students, by over enthusiasm, they cancel this cos x and cos x, which you should not, because there is a plus sign and something. If this is alone, I could have done that, but here is something else, so you can't do that. Now, from this cos 3x I am taking, and denominator I am taking sin 3x as common factor. The result is that I am left out with 2 cos x plus 1. and here 2, I have taken sin 3x, therefore I am left out with 2 cos x and also 1. So this get cancelled. Cos by sin is nothing but cot. So we got the answer. So by choosing the two angles, cos 4x and cos 2x, the problem becomes simple. Now I go for the question 22. Question number 22. Cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x equal to 1. It's a good question. What I am doing is, I know tan 3x, tan a plus b is tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus of tan a tan b. We know very well. I am going to use that. Here tan 2x and x and 3x is there, so I write it as 2x plus x, that is equal to tan of 3x. Now apply this formula, so this will become tan a 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x and tan x. As a result of that, I am cross multiplying it. I am getting, here is tan 3x. So multiplying here, what I get, tan 3x minus tan, I just write in the order tan x and then tan 2x and then this tan 3x, that is equal to, and what is there in the side, tan 2x plus tan x. Am I clear? I have applied tan 3x formula, because tan 3x I can write it as tan of 2x plus x. If I write tan of 2x plus x, then I can apply the formula tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x and tan x. I am simply cross multiplying that. Now tan 3x minus this and this. I have to get the answer cot x, cot 2x minus cot 2x, cot 3x minus cot 3x and cot x equal to 1. So what I do is, I am taking this one here and this that to the other side, that is minus of this I am taking to the other side, tan x, tan 2x and tan 3x. I am taking these two things. First one is tan 3x and then comes tan 2x and then minus of tan x. You divide everything by tan x, tan 2x and tan 3x. When you are dividing everything by what is there in the other side, tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x. So dividing this by tan 3x divided by that tan x, tan 2x and tan 3x minus here tan 2x. Again when you are dividing that by tan x and tan 2x and tan 3x minus tan x divided by the denominator, that is tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x. Since we have divided by tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x, this side is 1. Am I made clear? I am dividing both sides with, divide both sides with tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x. The result is that this get cancelled and this get cancelled and this get cancelled. So what is left out? 1 by tan x and tan 2x. 1 by tan x and tan 2x is cot x and cot 2x. This is. And what about this one? 1 by tan x into tan 3x. So 1 by cot x cot 3x. What about here? Tan 2x and tan 3x denominator. Therefore, this becomes cot 2x cot 3x equal to 1. That's what you have to prove. So compared to the previous problem, this one is a nice one. So if you are using cot x, if you are the problem is cot x cot 2x, something like this, I am using tan of 3x is equal to tan of x plus 2x and applying the formula for tan of x plus 2x, and then I am doing the cross multiplication. This itself is a problem. You may be asked to do, show that tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x equal to tan x plus into tan 2x tan 3x. That itself is a problem. So they have gone a step further and asked you to prove cot x cot 2x. So divide everything by tan x tan 2x and tan 3x, you get the answer. Is it okay? Now I go for 23rd. Question number 23 is a very good problem. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x multiplied with 1 minus tan square x, denominator 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. We don't have any direct formula for tan 4x. We have for tan 2x. So what you do is, in terms of 2x, let us find out. You write this as tan of 2 times of 2x. This is just like theta, tan 2 theta. Now what is the formula for tan 2 theta? 2 tan theta, 2 tan, this is the theta, by 1 minus tan square theta. Is it okay? So you have tan 2 times of 2x equal to 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. Now again applying the formula to tan 2 theta. So 2 tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Tan 2x to tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 minus of tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x the whole power 2. Tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus of tan square x. That is the thing we have applied. I am considering the entire thing as theta. So 2 tan of this and 1 minus tan square of this. And now I am considering this as tan 2x. So apply the formula 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Here we have to square up. Am I clear? Now I rub it off. The result is that 2 into 2 numerator 4 tan x and divided by that 1 minus tan square x. This part will be 1 minus tan square x the whole square minus 4 times of tan square x, the whole thing divided by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Is it alright? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So that will be 4 times of tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. 4 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. I am taking LCM, therefore 1 minus tan square x the whole square comes here and minus 4 tan square x. Denominator will be as the LCM will become that 1 minus tan square x. The result is this can be cancelled. So this goes up. Therefore what will be there? 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. What about the denominator? 1 minus, expanding that, 1 plus tan power 4x minus 2 tan square x and then minus 4 tan square x. A minus b the whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, and that minus 4 tan square x remains. Now if you simplify the denominator, you will be getting 1 minus 2 and minus 4, therefore minus 6 tan square x and plus tan power 4x, which is there in the problem. And numerator already we got it. So after that, just you write one step and simplify that, club it, tan square x minus 2 tan square x and minus 4 tan square x, you write it as 1 minus 6 tan square x and plus tan power 4 and say that we have proved. Now I go for question number 24. Cos 4x, you got to prove that equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Cos 4x can be written as cos 2 times of 2x. If you are taking this as cos 2 theta, you know cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. From this I can say 1 minus of 2 sin square theta. From this again I can write 2 cos square theta minus 1. These are the three ways in which you can represent that. You can remember cos 2 theta values. So cos 2 times of 2 theta, I am going for this method, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So this will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Theta is 2x. So 1 minus 2 times of sin square 2x. So what happens now? This will be equal to now 1 minus this 2. This is nothing but sin 2x the whole square. Sin 2x is 2 times of sin x and cos x. The result now 1 minus the square. So here is 2. So multiply that. So this will be for 2 square. So 4 2s are 8. And this is sin square x and cos square x. We got it. We got the answer very quickly. So you must remember that this should be taken in this way. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And don't forget to mention, find that sin 2x the whole square. So that is equal to 2 sin x cos x the whole square. That is of, so this is here. So don't club it. So it has nothing to do with this problem. For this one I have written sin 2x the whole square. I can write that for 2 sin x cos x the whole square. Expanding that we get the last problem from the exercise. So the last problem. Before going into the problem, I hope that I have made things clear. I have explained the problems to your satisfaction so that you can understand and do it yourself. If I am correct, if you agree with me, please do subscribe and suggest to your friends. Let them also watch, and if they are happy, let them subscribe. If you already subscribed, my thanks to you. So my dear students, I go for the last problem, cos 6x. Cos 6x, again I am writing the same model as in the case of previous one. I am writing it as cos 2 theta. That is equal to cos square theta. So cos square of 3x minus sin square of cos 2 theta can be written in this way. This sin square theta, or we can write it as simply 2 cos square of 3x and minus 1. This is another method. Or you can, from here also you can jump to this. You write sin square 3x as 1 minus cos square 3x, and minus or minus, so becomes plus, and that minus comes here. Now, what is cos 3x? Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, and this is square, put minus. Expanding that a minus b the whole square formula, 4 into 4, 16. This is cos power of 6x. This one squaring up, you will get 9 times of cos square x. And here 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So minus 24 times of cos cube x. And of course that minus 1 is there. If you are multiplying that 2 into 16, so this is 32. Let me go to this. So 32 cos power 6x, and this is 18 cos square x, and this is 48 cos cube x, and then minus 1. 32 is there, minus 48 cos power 4. Yes, 2ab term, 2 into 4 into this cos cube into cos, therefore it should be cos power 4. So 32 cos power 6 we got it, minus 48 cos power 4 we got it, 18 cos square x we got it, and minus 1 we got it, and this side we have cos 6x. So we have solved the problem. This problem can be solved by another method also. I give the hint, you can do it. So what you do is, the 6x you write it as cos of, I said that 3 into 2x. 2 times of 3x I take. You take this as 3 times of 2x. That is, you consider this as cos 3 theta. And apply with the formula 4 cos cube theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and proceed, you will be getting this. After applying that, cos 2x is equal to, cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 formula you apply. This is the way also you can do that. So this problem has more than one method. So all that we are expecting you is that use the formulas, that is cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta, or cos x plus cos y. All these formulae, if you are thorough, this exercise is very, very simple. So practice and be thorough. And the rest we will see. Some more extra problems of this model we will see in the next video. Thank you for watching.